The Joint Engineers Personal Security Detail provides safe transportation throughout Kabul. They are known as the drive team on NKC and plan their missions down to the last detail. It's a tedious schedule that can even have the most hardened combat veterans on edge. But this team of junior enlisted soldiers handles these missions with the professionalism of seasoned non-commissioned officers.
Basically, we drive VIPs from one place to another, keep them safe on the roads. Complacency could set in, but we try and change things up as much as we can. With the environment we're in, as often as it's changing, it's kind of hard to fall into a routine.
With their eyes, ears, and weapons always at the ready, the NKC drive team aims to keep up their successful string of missions.